In the subtopic, features of graphs and tables for linear and nonlinear relationships, we would want to see whether when you're given a statement, and of course given several graphs that are supposed to be for that statement, you're supposed to know whether you've been able to choose the correct graph for that information. So this is a very short video, and of course welcome back to our Prepsaret YouTube channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and let us move on together. We have a statement here, and the statement reads, Kirsten walks up 6 flights. Good to be underlining the key words or statements. Kirsten walks up 6 flights of stairs to her office each morning as part of her exercise routine. She walks the first 3, rests for 30 seconds, walks the next 2 flights at the same rate of speed as she walked the first 3 flights, rests again for 30 seconds, and then walks the last flight 1 at the same rate. Which graph represents Kirsten walking up the stairs? The information is there are 6 flights of stairs, and then she walks the first 3, rests for 30 seconds, then walks another 2 flights, rests for 30 seconds, and finishes with the last one. So when you look at these graphs, you can work by elimination. And actually before, these are 3 choices. We have A, B, and C. And yes, we can work with elimination. For example, look at B. B does not have exactly resting. You look at that graph, she walks, and then this one looks like she's walking very steeply. This part that is supposed to be resting again now. So we can eliminate B from the choices. And then also we are now remain with A and C. If you look at C, we still work with the method of elimination. You can see she has gone those flights, and then she has rested. Resting means there's no movement for 30 seconds, I suspect. But now the problem is the amount of distance from here all the way to where she rested for 30 seconds looks like is similar for the second movement. And it is not supposed to be similar, because remember, the first one is 3, second one is 2, and the third one is 1. In fact, the third one shows us that it is almost also equal to the other 2 distances. So what do? Let us remain with, so we have also eliminated X because of the proportionality of the distances she's moving up the stairs. Resting is okay, and of course it is similar to A. So we remain with A. Let us analyze A. The distance from 0 here all the way to this point, and then resting for 30 seconds. Now the second distance, you see, it is kind of missing 1 unit to be equal to it, which can be probably, if we say this one is 3, then this one is somewhere between 2 and 3. That means it is 2 units or 2 stairs. Then resting again for 30 seconds, and the last one should be 1 or a third of the first one, or half the second one, because the first one is 3 flights, second one is 2 flights, third one is 1 flight. If you add 3 plus 2 plus 1, you get 6. So A stands to be the correct graph for this information that we are given here. You check on several things. Remember, you must check on the time to rest, the 30 seconds. Resting means there is no movement at all, and that is why we were able to eliminate this first. That means B. We were able to eliminate B because it didn't have 30 seconds for resting. Now the last thing we considered is also the distance between the first movement, the resting, and the second, and also the third one. This one, seemingly, she moved same distance up. That means more stairs and not as we are told. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.